Join me as I share with you my Elgato gear that I use on stream. Hi everyone, I'm Untouchable Native. I stream on Twitch Monday through Friday, post videos here on YouTube 3 times a week. Today I'm excited to share with you the essential Elgato products that I use on stream. As a streamer, having the right gear is very essential. It can make all the difference in providing high quality experience for your viewers. And I'm convinced these products are a must-have for any serious streamer. We've all been there, stuck with poor audio, subpar video quality, and technical difficulties that can totally derail our stream. It's frustrating, it's demotivating, and it's just plain annoying. But what if I told you that there are solutions out there that can help you overcome these obstacles and take your stream up to the next level? In my experience, there are 3 common challenges that streamers face. Number 1, poor audio quality. Number 2, low video quality. Last but not least, technical difficulties. As for poor audio quality, it can make it hard for your audience to actually hear you, and it's a major turnoff. Low video quality can make your stream look very unprofessional and detract from the viewer's overall experience. And for technical difficulties, well, they're just the worst. They can cause your stream to lag, delay, or even crash. When it comes to poor audio quality, it's often because of a low quality microphone or poor microphone placement. When it comes to low video quality, it's often because of a low quality webcam or poor lighting. When it comes to technical difficulties, it's often because of inadequate hardware or software. But the good news is that there are solutions out there that can help you overcome these challenges and take your stream to the next level. Now let's go ahead and dive in to the Elgato products that I use in my workspace. Just to put this out there, this is not a sponsored video. There's no affiliate links. This is just a personal opinion onto the products that I use. Starting at number 1, as you can see, it's in the video, it's the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. Obviously, there are many microphones out there. I've had many. When I got the Elgato Wave 3, it was a game changer. When it comes to audio quality, it's a high quality USB microphone that delivers crystal clear audio, and it's incredibly easy to use. Another essential Elgato product that I have is the Elgato 4KX. Now, Elgato has a series of capture cards out there. I personally had the Elgato HD60S, HD60S Plus, HD60X, and now the Elgato 4KX. The capture card, it allows you to capture what is on your screen, i.e. for a Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch, and projects that into your computer, giving you access to high quality video that will elevate your stream to the next level. Side note, if you have the Elgato Wave 3 and a capture card, I'd recommend going out and getting a Elgato Chat Link cable, Chat Link Pro. That'll be for the console users. What that does is it plugs into your controller, also into your capture card, giving a direct line from your game into your capture card. The Chat Link Pro also has an isolator on it, which will stop buzzing sounds that you normally hear while playing online. The next product I use is the Elgato Face Cam. I currently have 2 Elgato Face Cams, one directly right here and the other one right over here. The Elgato Face Cam has full HD at 60 frames per second with low latency. A clear picture without having to adjust the settings. Everyone needs good lighting. I have here with me the Elgato Keylight, the Elgato Keylight Air, and the Elgato Keylight Mini. Fully customizable to capture you in the best lighting while streaming. And finally, last but not least, the Elgato Stream Deck. This product right here is a total game changer. when it comes to technical difficulties. It allows you to customize your stream and simplify your workflow, making it easier to focus on what truly matters, providing a great experience for your viewers. All the products that I have listed, except the ChatLink Pro, are not plug and play. You will have to go to elgato.com/downloads to download the software used for each item. Here we go. elgato.com/downloads. You want to then scroll down, check out the product that you're needing. I have anything from the Neo, audio, cameras, capture devices, stream decks, lighting, and the legacy items, in which I explained the HD60S and the S Plus, which are fantastic still. But you want to head here. If you have Windows or Mac, let's go ahead and click the download button. I already have this. Camera Hub, Stream Deck as well. Very easy to use. All of these items have downloads. So when you get an update, go ahead and check it out. Stay updated. I remember when I first started using these products, it was like a whole world opened up for me. My audio quality improved dramatically. My video quality is better than ever. And my technical difficulties all but disappeared. The only thing I had to work on was my internet. It was like a weight was lifted off my shoulders, and I was able to finally focus on what I love to do. Streaming. One of the biggest benefits of using these products is that they give you confidence to focus on your content rather than worried about the technical side of things. I found that using these products has allowed me to take my stream to the next level. I'm able to focus on providing high quality content rather than worried about the technical side of things. And as a result, my viewers have been incredibly engaged and responsive. It's been amazing to see the differences that these products have made on my stream. So to recap, I have the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. I have the Elgato 4KX capture card. I have the Elgato ChatLink Pro, the Keylight Air, Keylight, and the Keylight Mini. And last but not least, I have the Stream Deck XL. Each of these products have been instrumental in helping me overcome streaming challenges and providing a high quality experience for my viewers. Thank you all for watching. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. What's your favorite streaming gear? Let me know, and be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks to help you take your stream to the next level.